So how much can I earn with $100,000? With $100K in my trading account and the end of the year coming up, I decided to take a look at some projections that I have for next year. I don't mind saying that the last 2 weeks in the market have been an uphill struggle for me. I've got a mixed bag of results. Some trades have done really well, others not so much. To help track my projections and help you visualize what I'm talking about, I created a small worksheet to walk through the numbers. And to make the math a little bit easier, let's say that my starting account balance is $100,000. From there, I'm going to set a weekly profit goal of 1%. This number comes from my 1% capture technique that I discussed in an earlier video. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link in the description below. But in there I describe how it's possible to earn 1% per week using option trading. With a 1% return, that would make my weekly profit $1,000. And if we extrapolate that out for a full year, 52 weeks, that would be $52,000. And this represents the fact that I'm not reinvesting any of my profits. Now, of course, realistically, I wouldn't be able to invest the full $100,000 every single week. So to take that into account and factor it in, let's assume that I can trade 85% of my account value for 26 weeks, which means I need to subtract $3,900 from those weekly earnings. Additionally, not all of my trades are going to be profitable, so I'm going to say that there's a 50% loss for the entire year, which means I need to subtract $15,000. So putting it all together, my earnings for the 52 weeks, $52,000, and subtracting out the $3,900 and the $15,000, I come up with a net profit of $33,100, giving me a projected account balance for 2022 of $133,100. Okay, I know, this is only a projection and real life never works out this way, but it gives me a goal to shoot for and a semi-realistic expectation of what I might be able to achieve. How about you? What's your earning projection for next year, 2022? Leave me a comment below and let me know. In case you don't know, I'm holding my live training session tomorrow, November 23rd, at 1:30 p.m. Pacific Time, where I'm going to be demonstrating live how I pick my stocks for option trading. Follow along with the 3-step process that I use and watch as I demonstrate each of the tools that help me make my profitable option trades. This is going to be a 2-hour training session, so if you can't make it or you can't stay for the whole time, don't worry about it. You can still purchase the All Access bundle where I'll give you the full video recordings, the audio podcasts, and all of my PDF slides. Plus, I'm going to include my Picking Stocks for Options workbook, plus some special content. And you could save 30% by visiting my website, stockpickingstrategy.com, and using the coupon code EARLY2021. If you like the information about my stock picks, then consider joining my Patreon, where I share exclusive videos of my stock picks every week that I'm going to be using for profitable trades. I also include my research notes, stock analysis, and trading strategies for every stock I pick to watch for that week. And of course, all my videos posted on my Patreon are ad-free. There's one last thing before I end this video. Now, making profits and generating an income from option trading is a great thing, but keep in mind that all gains made from trading are considered income and are subject to applicable tax considerations. So every month, I save a portion of the profits that I earned in order to pay for my federal and state taxes. So please consult with your CPA, licensed financial advisor, and or tax preparer regarding the tax liabilities for your unique situation. If you're still watching this video, I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I also want to wish you good luck and lots of success with all of your trades.